Hello everyone, I'm Akanksha and today I'm here with the perfect recipe of spongy rasgulla for you all. This is ought to be one of my favorite Indian sweets and I have failed 5 times to prepare this, but finally after 4 months from my first try. I would suggest watch the video and see the consistency of the chhena to get the perfect rasgulla. If the chhena is over kneaded, it won't work. If it's less kneaded, it won't work out. So see the consistency and prepare this. The key to get a perfect rasgulla is lying on the moisture content and the kneading. So let's check out the ingredients to how to make this spongy, juicy rasgulla. So I have taken 1 liter of milk. The milk should be full cream, pure and fresh. Please do not use Tetra Pak. And I am using 1.5 cup of sugar and 2 lemon. That's it. In a pan, put all the milk. Please remember friends, use only full cream milk. Otherwise your rasgulla will not turn out good. Switch on the flame and on medium flame, put the pan on gas. Remember, use the medium flame and stir the milk and keep stirring it occasionally to prevent the burning of the milk, as well as we do not want to separate the cream from the milk, which we do not want to have. Keep stirring it in every 5 minutes as we don't want to cream to separate from our milk. In every 5 minutes, milk will boil in, I think 1 to 2 minutes. Meanwhile, take out the lemon juice and mix it with some water. I have squeezed out the two lemon, and I have added half glass of water. Now you can see milk has started boil and you can see cream is not separated at all. Now I'm gonna switch off the flame and rest for 30 seconds before adding the lemon juice. Now friends, slowly add the mixture into the milk and stir it very slowly. Slowly stir it, keep on stirring. Keep on stirring lightly, slowly. Now you can see milk has started to curdle. Now our chhena is almost ready. Look, great. Now our chhena is ready. Now without any further delay, let's strain out the chhena in a cotton. So beautiful. Now I have strained the chhena in a cotton handkerchief. You can use any cotton towel. Now I slowly add some water. Be careful. It will not only cool the chhena, but it will also remove lemon sourness. Now try to gather the sides and slowly squeeze it. Slowly squeeze it. Do not apply too much pressure. Hang this chhena in a kitchen tap for about 30 minutes. Like this, I have hanging the chhena in a kitchen tap. Now I have taken 10 cups of water. I have measured the water through this cup and switch on the flame, and 2 cups of sugar. I have added 2 cups of sugar in water. Stir it so that water and sugar will mix together and sugar will dissolve in water. Friends, you might be thinking why there is too much of sugar syrup. So the main reason behind this, if you have rasgulla of 1 inch of diameter, it will puff up into 2 inches. So we want another 2 inches to let the rasgulla rotate or swim properly in the sugar syrup. So friends, this is our chhena which is hanging till 30 minutes. Now you can see. Beautiful, beautiful. This is neither dry nor too much moist. This is exactly like what I need, what I want. Now kindly knead the chhena for 3 to 4 minutes by use of your palms. Knead it very slowly with the help of your palm. Continue kneading it like this with the help of your palm. Here, press the chhena lightly. As I told you earlier, if the chhena is over kneaded, it won't work, and if it is less kneaded, it won't work out. So just set the time about 3 to 4 minutes. Now our chhena is ready. Now we will make small balls from it. Make small balls like this and keep aside. So from the chhena, 8 balls are ready. Now I would dump these balls into the sugar syrup. Make sure the flame should be high for 2 to 3 minutes. As you insert the rasgullas, immediately put the lid like this. I have removed the whistle and gasket from the cooker. Keep the flame medium. Our rasgulla will ready in 15 minutes. Just set the time, and after 5 minutes I will stir the rasgulla slowly. Now look at this. 5 minutes, still is like this, and cover the lid again. After 15 minutes our rasgulla will be ready. Let's check. Oh my god, look at this. Kindly now switch off the flame. Look, these are really spongy, juicy. I can't wait to eat them now. Now slowly transfer it to a bowl. Slowly, because they are hot right now, and I'm transferring the hot rasgullas into the bowl. Kindly have a look. These are really spongy. Now wait for about 6 to 7 hours before serving them. Let it cool down for 10 minutes. Then put these rasgullas in refrigerator. Now let's see. The rasgullas are ready. They are super soft, super juicy, and super tasty. So let's take the sponginess of the rasgullas. See friends, how spongy are they? They're just like a sponge ball. So they are really very tasty. Kindly do try this recipe and let me know, and kindly subscribe my channel. This is very easy recipe and but tricky. So kindly follow the step-by-step instruction as I give in the video. Bye bye, take care, happy cooking.